In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone sending green text messages. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is actually back out and you need to open up your settings on your iPhone. Scroll down to the very bottom, select apps, and then you need to just search for messages or just scroll down until you see messages and open it up. You need to turn iMessage off first. So toggle that off and then of course, go ahead and toggle it back on almost immediately after. This will refresh the SMS backup setting. Then go ahead and just back out of this setting and check your internet connection because blue messages obviously need to send through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Run a speed test on either Safari or Chrome and you could just search up internet speed test in order to do that. And if it's still not working for you, go back to your main settings page, select general, and then select at the very bottom transfer or reset iPhone, hit reset and select reset network settings. And then after that, try sending that message again. If it's still sending green, the issue is most likely on the other person's phone. So they may have like iMessage turned off, no internet, airplane mode turned on, or their phone might be dead. So just keep that in mind. That's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.